Hello and welcome to Marcel Soaps. In this video, I will show you how I made this beautiful Taiwan Swirl soap. Before we start, please hit the like and subscribe button so you can watch more beautiful soap making videos. First, I added the lye solution to the oil mixture I have already prepared. For this recipe, I used olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, and a little bit of castor oil. To make the swirl more easily, I stop the blending right after immersion, so the soap will be very fluid when I pour it into the mold. After then, I divide the batter into 3 and mix them with mica. I've always wanted to make the Taiwan Swirl soap ever since I saw this technique on other soap makers' videos, and they are all amazing. I needed to have a soap divider in order to do this technique, so I purchased it and it was worth it. Here, I carefully pour the soap into the mold, and even though I am pressing and holding the divider, eventually some of the soap goes under the divider and gets a little bit messy. But it is okay, I just didn't pour the soap all at once. I slowly remove the divider one by one because I don't want to mess up the colors. The soap is looking good and I am ready to swirl this. I have made 2 more soaps before this. I like this one, but I made a mistake when making the soap. I should have poured the white soap in the middle, but I found out that after pouring the soap. I like the colors of the soap because somehow it looks like a flame, but I still wish I didn't make a mistake. This one is my favorite. You see, the soap was not fluid, but it was easier to swirl the soap. And I really love the color. After unmolding the soap, I planed the soap to get rid of the soda ash. I think I got soda ash on the soap more because I poured the soap at a very light trace. Luckily, the soap planer worked really well and I could remove most of the soda ash on the soap. After cutting, I bevel the soap, and I really love this beveler. I'll put the link in the description box. So here, this is the final look. I love how the swirls turned out. I think I will make more of this with different colors since I cannot waste the divider. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you like the video, please leave a comment and like the video. I've got more videos coming, so subscribe to the channel for more beautiful soap making videos. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.